In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Minecraft crash while loading shaders. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, before you start following through this video, make sure you have Minecraft installed with Optifine and that the version of the shader you are trying to use is compatible with Optifine and the current version of Minecraft you are running. After you ensure that everything is compatible, once you drop the shader file within the shader packs folder, open up Minecraft and go into your options, video settings and details. First, turn off alternate blocks and make sure trees are either fast or fancy. Also go into the quality tab and turn off natural textures. Lastly, go into the shaders tab. As you can see, I have the shader pack I want to use right here, and once I click on it, it should load properly. If you are still encountering crashes after loading in the shader, remember to open up your web browser and make sure you have the latest graphics card drivers. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, go to nvidia.com, search for your graphics card over here, and download and update your drivers to the latest version. Likewise, download the AMD drivers if you have an AMD GPU. Once you download these drivers, restart your computer, open up Minecraft again, and try loading in the shader pack. Also, make sure you lower the shadow quality to 1x, the render quality to 1x. After you do so, the shader pack should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft crash while loading shaders. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.